Hello friends, as you can see in this video I'll show you how to clone an object in Capcut. Like and subscribe to support this channel, let's start. First, drag in the video to the timeline. Duplicate the video, hold down the Alt key and pull the copy up. We mirror a copy of our video by clicking the mirror button. Now the bird will be on the right side. I hide track the original video to make it easier to work with the copy. Next, add the horizontal mask to the copy, and let's play the mask right here. Then we move the screen to the right somewhere here so that there would be a place for the second bird. And we just shift the original video a little to the left. We're looking at the result. Not bad. And if your video has a monochrome background, the difference will be almost invisible. And here is a little trick for you. If you have several free frames in which nothing happens, you can make the original and duplicate videos out of sync. For example, at the beginning, I have several frames that don't have a bird on them. I'll cut out this segment, copy and paste it several times. Here is how you can duplicate an object with only one video. The same can be done with masks and keyframes, but this method is simpler. Now you know a little more, thanks for watching.